This is absolutely amazing conditions. We just had Snowmageddon2020 where 75 plus centimeters of snow dumped on us in less than 24 hours with winds up to 150 kilometers. This is day 6 after the storm, and I'm on a trail here near where I live that I figured would be frequented by snow machines, and it's absolutely amazing. Beat down perfectly. I met a couple of quads there a little while ago, and I asked them if they could, if at all possible, not cross over this sweet middle track, because that would make it worse for us fat bikers. And they said, yeah, no problem. They just don't want to get stuck. But this trail is amazing. Getting into a little bit of a downhill here. I should come out to a gully. A little bit of canopy work there needs to be done. And here we are. Rainbow gullies. What a beautiful day to be out. Well, this is pretty interesting. I'm mostly riding on top of crusted snow. There's no discernible track except, well, looks like a quad with tracks went in this way once. That's about it. I'm hoping to connect with a trail over this way. If I don't keep breaking through. When you run on top of crusted snow like this, it's just so much fun. Ah, there's the trail. Excellent. Cool. Gotta see what this downhill is like. A little swoop. Oh, uphill. See if I can get up this. Snow is lightly packed. Ah, shit. And I'm down up to my waist. Okay, I'm back out of the hole. Oh, another hill here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's... Woo. That was pretty lame. Oh yeah, that was cool. That was fun. This is a nice little downhill section. I do know that two quads were stuck down here a little ways, and they probably tore up the trail a little, but we'll see how it looks. A little sketchy. There's another Fatbike in here somewhere. I see the tracks in front of me. Okay, that wasn't very graceful. Let's get back on. There's another steeper section down here, but hopefully less canopy. I feel like Indiana Jones, avoiding post holes, ruts, and branches. All I need is a big rolling rock to start chasing me. And that's probably possible as well. Okay, this is a quick little section. How you doing?
Good, you?
Walker in here. I don't know if you expected to see a Fatbike. I think there's one more downhill section. Here we go. Off camber. Try that again. I'm loving this Bigfoot 1S. The J5s are a great tire for snow. Okay, here we go. Down. Down again. Oh, big knock on the helmet. Okay, we're back into the track again. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Not very graceful here. Hop back on. Try that again. And it's a little downhill here, and then we're practically out. There we go. Except for the couple of falls, not too bad. But a beautiful day out fat biking, that's for sure.